Before you begin, I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you will not miss any of our entertaining videos.
Alleged kidnap kingpin, Chukwudumi Monwuamadike, aka Evans, broke down in tears on Monday before the Lagos State High Court in Igbazir, where he was arraigned on fresh 2 charges of kidnapping. After initially refusing to come down from the prison van in protest, he was eventually brought into the courtroom by warders on the order of Justice Adedayo Akintoye. Stepping into the courtroom barefooted and in handcuffs, Evans, who wore a pair of shorts and a green t-shirt torn on the shoulder with sand stain on the back, immediately indicated to the judge that he had something to say. "I have an explanation to make," he said. "Since I have been in the maximum prison, they have been maltreating me. No visit. They don't feed me well. I have eye problem and I cannot see afar." But he was countered by one of the prison officials who maintained that Evans was being given the same treatment as other inmates. "We have been treating him very well. He is well fed and people have been visiting him. A doctor has been checking him. The doctor came to check him yesterday, Sunday, and even this morning, before coming to court, because he was saying he can't be in court, that he is not feeling fine. But when the doctor checked him yesterday, Sunday, and this morning, the doctor said he was healthy and that he saw no reason why he shouldn't be in court," the prison official said. But Evans said he was only seen by a nurse and not a doctor. Counsel for the second defendant, Ajidi Agbu, told the court that his client, Joseph Emeka, had also made the same complaints to him, but the Lagos State Director of Prosecutions, Ms. Titile Oshirbe, said Evans was only making up an excuse, urging the court not to buy it. "That was the same thing he said before in Ikeja High Court, and we wrote the prisons and they wrote us back that he was being taken care of like every other inmate," Shirbe said. Reacting, Justice Akintoye directed the prison officials to ensure that Evans and his co-defendants were treated like other inmates, noting that they were still presumed innocent. On the request of Evans' lawyer, Olukoya Ogunbiji, who had earlier written to the court, praying that the case be stood down, the judge stood the case down. But as soon as the judge rose, Evans broke down in tears. "What have I done to you people? They have been beating me, no good food. I have been locked up in one place since August 30th last year. Why are they taking my case personally? Let me face my trial alive. Why do you people want to kill me?" he said, sobbing. About then, his lawyer, Ogunbiji, came into the courtroom and began to pacify him. The defendants were eventually arraigned on the fresh charges. Evans was arraigned alongside Joseph Emeka, Linus Okpara and Victor Ajuba. The charges border on conspiracy and unlawful capture. The state alleged in the charges that the defendants conspired with some persons still at large to unlawfully capture one Uche Okorafor on the 21st of November 2014, at Festac Town, Lagos, and demanded a ransom of $2 million. The DPP said they acted contrary to Sections 409 and 269 of the Criminal Laws of Lagos State 2011, adding that they were liable to punishment under the same law, but they pleaded not guilty. Justice Akintoye adjourned till May 25, 2018 for commencement of trial.
If you like the video, and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, to share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos.